Hi, good morning. Happy Tuesday. It's me, Tammy, again, and I'm just coming to you today to talk about my blog for today at Christian Bloggers Cafe. The blog is titled It's Not About You. And just a brief summary about the blog is just basically talking about how you choose to express yourself having nothing to do with your neighbor or what someone else thinks. Whether you choose to color your hair blue, whether you choose to get facial piercing, tattoos, whatever method you use to express yourself, it's all about you. And it has nothing to do with someone else. So, don't let someone else project their feelings on you as far as how you choose to show who you are. A lot of times I know that we judge people because of things that we don't understand. And we love to ask the question, well, why did you do that? It's not for us to know. It's not for us to understand. We need to get an understanding of ourselves first before we start trying to judge someone else. So I hope that you enjoy the blog. Again, thank you for allowing me to share with you. And you can log on to www.christianbloggerscafe.com. Again, it's bloggers with an S, www.christianbloggerscafe.com. And also, there will probably be a link to the side, maybe at the top or maybe somewhere at the bottom. Not too sure. But hope to hear from you. Share your thoughts. Enjoy your day. Bye.